Guys, ito na yung event sa UP Sunken Garden. Pedal up. Kasama yung asawa ko. Kaway! And also me. Ayan. So, this is my first time makapunta dito na bike.
I want to save money.
Where? Ano? Ano nga yun? Wow! Yan o, bike expo siya guys. So, more on tires, gamit sa bike. Which is I do have a bike. However, I don't usually bike. So, kailangan ko tayo balik iloob ulit sa pagbabike. You can see, marami. May mga Shimano brands. And many more.
Sulit mo.
Komo naman. Ayan, that's the stage.
Napupuntahan natin pa.
Kasi may raffle kasi ito guys. Pag nag-entrance ka dito, $250. That includes the bike demo. If gusto mo makatry ng any bikes. Tapos the rest entrance na. May pa-raffle sila. So ito yung stage. Marami
for the EV vehicle, we call it 2 types of chargers. So we have the AC and the DC. So AC, it takes you around. And then for the DC, or what we call it, rapid charger. So it takes a minute only. What? Yes, sir.
2 minutes, 1 piece.
Around a minute, so around 15 to 30 minutes. Depends on
15 to 30 minutes. Okay. That's a minute, that's a super capacitor. So that's good to know.